Alright, so another vlog for my big cousin YouTube video. So we there I pick some jellies up in the hills. Yeah. As you can see.
Real That's TV featuring Thicker Dan.
Alright. I still have my own YouTube for myself, so you can stay tuned for that. You can check it out when you up it, you see it.
Yeah man, look out. Look out, we are teaching how to pick some jelly today.
Brawling.
Yeah man, so
all right,
all
so
who don't know, must know now. Alright, we are trying to find somewhere to set this camera so you can sit up in a jelly tree. Alright. Hold on. There we go. Never really prepare, we just decide so we are going on a treat.
yeah, just like that.
First thing first, you have to have a bamboo.
The tall bamboo stick, because the tree them tall as well. So depending on the size of the tree, you have to get the length of the bamboo. You get what I'm saying.
Yeah, man. Alright. Hope you guys can see this.
And when you pick jelly, you have to watch out for your head, so you have to look out.
Yeah. Always look up. That's one. So you want to hook the bunch and basically push forward and go. And let's go.
Wow. Jelly doesn't fall like rain. Jelly a fall. See how Real Dads do it? Real Dads TV. You see how them wanna deal with it? Catch it, guys. Jelly doesn't fall.
There we go.
Yeah, one more time. Watch it. That's our tree, a chick. Alright, let me see what I'm going to do with that now.
Alright, so
You want to pick off the whole bunch and run?
yeah, one thing with the jelly. When you pick one, you have to pick the entire bunch and the rest of it spoil.
Yeah, you have to pick the entire bunch. So just finish a bunch here, then that's it. And next time we come back and get some more.
Right? You have to fit.
Right, I'm get a try off on.
Yeah. Hey, it ain't easy. You have to fit, believe me. Yeah, man. Fit like a fiddle.
No, fall. Right, move weak.
Oh, and sometimes coconut stubborn, jelly slash coconut stubborn. Just hook him right in the middle of all of them, and just rock it. And just hook him a little better. And you're gone, clear. Hook him.
Come in here, Real Dads.
Alright. So now, tell them drop. I have to go find them.
So, put on the stick.
Yeah man, I weed that now. I pick up them two there on the edge, them two fat on there. So. Carry two for the first. Who come in first? We'll make them get two jelly. So let's see.
That.
Yeah man. Tired guys, I'm telling you, a piece of fitness. I have to find them anyway.
Pass the cockles back, cuz.
Find them anywhere than there.
Alright, so we up in the hills as usual. We now go location. Yeah, that's a part of it.
Yeah man, we can't manage the stalkers.
Yeah, man, the stalkers. So we have jelly tree near Rouge Parkway. Now I tell you no.
On our farm, let's say our farm.
Alright.
And we have our bananas, of course. There's a, yeah, me I found. There's a young one right there. And I don't know if you can see this. There's a.
Speaking of bananas.
Ah.
Speaking of bananas.
Ah.
Right here.
We have one right there that is ready. Let me go closer so you can see it. You can see what it looks like when it's ready. Think I'm never. This is the one I not through the camera, I see it, you know.
Oh, I have a circle about that.
Anyway, I cut it, man, and make 2 or 3 trips.
Alright,
Yeah, man. Alright, guys. Oh, boy. Hold on. Oh, so going on nice for you. Alright, boy. Alright. So this, I mean, this is a ripened banana, so it's not quite ready as it was for cooking purposes. It would be perfect, but this probably need another month to properly full out. So probably the next vlog I see this one. But yeah, welcome to our farm. That's an apple tree there. I don't know if you can see if I can zoom in. There are some apples on it right now. Ah, hush, next time. But yeah, man, this is how we do it. So them say if you're the country and you're hungry, boy, you're wicked, cause all you need to do is plant up things, and you can't plant it when you want it. You have to plant it before you want it. So anyways, big up on yourself, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe. If you want to come a bush with it, let us know. Just reach out to me or Thicker Than and we'll take you there. In the meantime, just go and like, share, subscribe. Bless up on yourself. We're there. One love. Yeah, man. So then say, boy, if you plant, you must reap, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, we there. And Thicker Than. I don't know, Mama. A.K.A. Miss Merlin. Say hello, Real Dad Stevie.
Say hello.
Oh, yeah, man. Them say, we have put it on YouTube. Show Dennis on it, everybody. But yeah, man. For your plant, you must reap. Alright, people. We have about 2 more crocus bag worth of jelly figure for. Jelly and coconut. For you stay, who can come give you a strength? Because I love it, you know. I love it. But until next time, pick up on yourself. So one more thing, guys. We're going to teach you how to chop a jelly.
Yeah, I'm going to do the demonstration.
Yeah. Demonstration by Thicker Than.
But class have a sharper way.
Yeah.
You have to always watch your fingers. Make sure they're far from where you're chopping. And just like that.
Yeah. It's a meat. It's a meat that made and the water they close. So this, you have several ways. This is one of the ways. Yeah, man, this is easier one. Instead of to go right around. Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah, man. That's the meat. Alright. This is how we do it. So we ladies in love with so. This is why we ladies in love with so. Cause this is how we do it. Uptick. Alright guys, that's it. Take up on yourself. Up in the hills as me say, you know. Breadfruit tree, pear tree, jelly tree further down. Banana, nickel fowl cob, and next breadfruit. Aki over there, so. Yeah man, we got it man, we got it right here. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You know what I think.